Now, in case you missed the Google Docs presentation on PowerPoint presentations, hopefully this will get you started. Again, we're back at the middle school web page. We'll go to the Tech in 20. We're going to sign in again. I've already been signed in, so now I'm going to go to Docs again. Because under Docs, I don't know if you noticed from the Google Docs, when I went to create new and I chose document, you might notice I could have also created a presentation, a spreadsheet, a form, which is how I made the web form that you voted on which courses to take in which order, a drawing, or I could make a folder. If I go to presentation, I could start a presentation from scratch. Much like PowerPoint, I'm going to click to add a title. And I can insert text, images, drawings, videos, tables, shapes. It's pretty self-explanatory if you've used PowerPoint. Pretty much all the same, well, maybe not all the same, but very similar tools to what you've had on PowerPoint are here. What this doesn't have, that PowerPoint does have, that annoys people, is you don't have to add all those animations so things come flying around. I'm sorry if you like that, because this doesn't do it. You can do new slides, and just like PowerPoint, you get to choose your layout and start adding content. This is a quick link here to insert an image or insert extra text. You can undo, go back and forth between the slides you've created. Frankly, nothing new here unless you're new to PowerPoint. Just like a Google Doc, it saves itself automatically. And one thing you can do at any time is start your presentation and view it to see how it's going. The presentation is meant to be online, so it looks like this. It has this format. Arrows down at the bottom. It tells you Google Docs, slide 2 of 2. You've got some actions, so if you email your presentation to somebody, they could download it as a PDF. They could download it as a PPT, which is a PowerPoint document. And if you give them permission, they can edit it. So you can send it to somebody to look at it, and they can add some information. It could also play automatically. And then there's a link at the bottom. That is a link that goes to your document. So you could email it to parents. So that is great. That's fine. But many people already have PowerPoint presentations, and they don't want to create it again. Well, there's the upload feature. The only thing I have to say is if you have an old PowerPoint on a Mac that doesn't end with .ppt, you're going to have to open PowerPoint on your computer, save it again, because it has to have that .ppt, otherwise Google Docs can't convert it. So I'm going to look for an old presentation of mine. Let's see, I'll use my plate tectonics one. Notice I've got plate tectonics intro with no .ppt. That one is old and it will not work. But the one that says .ppt is still the same old one. I didn't resave it as the new version of PowerPoint, but it's still going to work. Go to PowerPoint, so whichever version of PowerPoint you have, you can upload a file. So I'm going to start upload, let it do its thing. It's uploading it and converting it at the same time. Once it's done, it'll tell you it's done. You'll see a check mark over here where this little spinning thing is telling me it's working. And this is taking a little longer than the Google Doc, if you saw the Google Docs video, because it's a PowerPoint. And this is 1.71 megabytes instead of a small file Word document. I'm going to go back to Google Docs. And there's my plate tectonics intro. I'm going to click on it. And now that I've got it on here, it keeps my backgrounds, my pictures, everything gets uploaded with it. There comes the background. So here's all my slides, just as they were in PowerPoint. But now, if I go to private to me, or I click on share, I can change who can view this. Again, I can choose anyone with the link, or I can make it public on the web. And if it's just for viewing, I am not going to allow anyone to edit. Save that, and now I've got a link right here that I can copy and paste into an email to have parents or children who are sick view the presentation that I did in class. That, again, I think is what is the powerful thing about using our creating things that we can share with parents and students. Plus, if you want a group of students to work on a presentation, they can be in the computer lab, they can be on different computers, and they can each be working on the same PowerPoint. So if you have a small team of 2 to 4 students, they don't have to be on the same computer. They can each be on different computers, working on their slides at the same time, and it's all saved to one document. Easy as pie. Really, that's all there is to this Google Doc presentation. If you think of anything else that I left out, let me know, and we could revisit it in a future Tech in 20 or a staff meeting or something. But that's it for now.